All right, chemistry fans, welcome back to the Chemistry 1032 problem solving set. I am Dr. Betts. I will be your guide through this problem. All right, now, calories. All right, let's read this question carefully. A 92-gram serving of almonds contains 45 grams of fat, 20 grams of carbohydrates, and 20 grams of proteins. All right, with the above information, calculate the total energy of the almonds in kcal. Let's read that question again carefully. A 92 grams serving of almonds. All right. So I guess we'll just write down mass. Why not? Mass equals 92 grams. All right. Okay. Let's just write down fat equals 45 grams. Okay. Carbohydrates equals 20 grams. And proteins all right, 20 grams. Now I'm going to modify this question a little bit, guys, just because I want to make it a little bit easier for us. I'm going to put periods at the end of those numbers just to indicate that that zero is significant. On the sheet in front of you, probably that's already there, but right now in front of me it's not, so I just want to put it there to make sure we're all on the same page. So we're going to just say that these two measurements have two significant figures, just to make our life a whole lot easier. All right, now, here's what you need to know. You need to know that carbohydrates have 4 kcals per gram. Fat has 9 kcals per gram. Protein has 4 kcals per gram. You need to know that. That will be on, if it was my exam, I would provide that information to you. Ask your professor to make sure. Okay, now to solve this problem, basically you want to convert your fat, your carbs, and your protein to kcals. Simple, straight up conversion problem. And then at the end, to get the total energy, you just add all three up, because all three are present in the almond. Okay? So let's start with carbs. Carbs. We have 20 decimal point grams multiplied by something that will put grams on the bottom, kcals on top, equals kcal. All right? So we put the number 1 down here and the number 4, we're talking about carbohydrate, so the number 4 goes up there. And the answer will be 20 times 4. Let's get the calculator out. Clear? 20 multiplied by 4 equals 80. So here we have 2 significant figures and 1. So our final answer only has 1 significant figure. All right? So that was our carbs. Let's do fat next. So fat, we have 45 grams of fat multiplied by something to give us kcal. All right, well, fat's right here. It's 9. So before we do that, let's put our units in. Grams, kcal. Grams cancel. Here the grams cancel as well. So here, 45 grams, grams over under kcals. So now we look at our fat up here. It's 9 and 1. All right. Bust out your calculator. Let me see here. I can't really see it. 45 multiplied by 9 equals 405 is what the calculator gives us, but we have to round it to 1 significant figure, so it'll be 400 kcals, because that's only 1 significant figure. So we have to round the whole thing to 1 significant figure at the end. All right? And finally, we've done carbs and fat. Now we have to do protein. Now we have to do protein. So protein, we have 20 grams multiplied by something that will give us kcal. All right, put the grams on the bottom, kcal on the top. So far, so good. Now, we have to look at the kcals per gram in the protein. It happens to be 4, 4, and 1. So we'll take our handy dandy calculator, multiply 4 by 20, and you should get 80, like that. And that's how many kcals of energy you get from the protein. Now, the question does say total energy. So we have to add these values up because each one of these fat, carbohydrate, fat, and protein are adding to the kcals in the food. So all you have to do to finish this off is add up the total kcals. So let's do that. Starting with 80 plus 400 plus 80 equals 560 kcals. That's the total calories in the 92 grams of almonds. And with that, I really hope that this was a helpful video for you. I hope that you were able to figure out this problem. If not, if you still have trouble, please feel free to contact the tutors here at the Academic Success Center or your professor during office hours. And with that, I bid you good luck and good chemistry.